solve 6x cube plus 13x square minus 4 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x square term. What I mean is, see, 6x cube in place of plus 13x square, now I write plus 12x square plus 1x square minus 4 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is 6x square. From this 6x square out you get x, plus from this 6x square out you get 2. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is plus 1. So here no change, even here also no change, equal to 0. Now this quadratic I will simplify it here, that is x square minus 4 equal to x square minus, now 4 I write as 2 square. Now on this we should apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a we have x, in place of b 2. So we get x minus 2 times x plus 2. Now in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 6x square times x plus 2 plus 1, in place of this 1, x minus 2 times x plus 2 equal to 0. Now from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is x plus 2. So x plus 2 outside. Over here we are left with 6x square, and over here we are left with this, that is plus 1 times x minus 2 equal to 0. Now x plus 2, 6x square. Now you open up the brackets, we get plus 1x minus 2 equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will simplify it here, factorize it here, that is 6x square plus 1x minus 2. To factorize this, we should split the middle term plus 1x. So in place of plus 1x, now I write plus 4x minus 3x minus 2. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is 2x. From this 2x out you get 3x, plus from this 2x out you get 2. Now whatever you got here, here also you should get the same thing. From this 3x gone inside, so outside you get minus 1. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out 3x plus 2 common. So here you have 2x and here minus 1. Now in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation becomes x plus 2, in place of this 1, 3x plus 2, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. More, they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values we should equate each bracket to 0, that is x plus 2 equal to 0, 3x plus 2 equal to 0, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, I should remove plus 2, so subtract 2. We get x equal to minus 2. Now here I should remove plus 2, so subtract 2. We get 3x equal to minus 2. Now I should remove 3, so divide by 3. You get x equal to minus 2 by 3. Now here I should remove minus 1, so add 1. You get 2x equal to 1. Now I should remove 2, so divide by 2. You get x equal to 1 by 2. So the x values that we got are minus 2, minus 2 by 3 and 1 by 2. This is our answer.